If you're looking for a great UPF swim shirt, I highly recommend this one. We bought it for my son from Rash. He's an average size 12-year-old. We bought the 14-16 and it's a perfect fit because he didn't want it to be like skin tight, but at the same time, it's not so big that it's floating around him or anything. It's perfect. So I do recommend ordering one size up. This is the white. It's great. It's not see-through. It's got a little bit of a collar, so it's going to not go up high and be annoying, but it's gonna protect like all the way over their chest. So you're really not gonna have to waste and worry about that much sunscreen, literally just their face, ears, neck, and then their arms. I love this. It helps me to not really have to worry so much about shoulders and chest and back getting sunburned. I know that they're protected in this. I make sure to wash it right after going into chlorine especially, and then I just hang dry to help that material last longer. It's 85% polyester, 15% spandex, nice and stretchy, just great quality. I love, love, love these. I know you will too.